So this is going to be the first video here in Sri Lanka. We're going to be here for 3 weeks, so quite a big trip. Sri Lanka is a bit of a small island, so that is plenty of time. So right now we're in a place called Sigiriya, one of the popular destinations here, and I've decided to open the video in a really cool location because right now we're staying in a treehouse. First time I've ever stayed in a treehouse. Carol surprised me for my birthday, so we're going to spend in 3 days here, and I'll just give you a quick tour now. Right now I'm on the balcony, so yeah, you can see the branches coming through the floor here. It's about 2 floors high, so yeah, pretty high. And then there's just some other huts here. I think there's one there and there's one over there, but we're in the only tree house. And then inside you can see it looks really cool. Big comfy bed, got the AC and the fan, and yeah, you can see everything's furnished with yeah, this like wooden stuff everywhere. And this is funny, there's even a branch going straight through our room, and it's being used as the TV stand. And then through here, Carol's in the bathroom. But
hello, good morning.
Nice present, Carol.
Yeah, it's something different, right?
Yeah, you've never stayed in a tree house, right?
No.
No. Yeah, so the bathroom's also pretty nice as well. Not bad at all. So I'll just show you quickly how this place looks from the outside. Yeah, so check it out. That is our our crib right there. Awesome crib. So we have now entered Sigiriya, so it is $30 to enter for foreigners anyway, which is quite expensive for the region that we're in, right? Normally places in India or Southeast Asia aren't that expensive, but yeah, that is the price. You can already see the epic mountain here, completely different to anything that I've seen before. So that is 200 meters high, I think, so it's going to be quite the hike. So it will definitely be helpful if you have a bit of fitness here. I think it's over 1,000 steps, and the weather is just so humid, so you get tired straight away. So we just came from down there right now, and as you can see, the steps are actually quite steep as well. So we're gonna have to head all the way up here, cut across the front of the rock face, and then there's actually a spiral staircase there as well, so yeah, that's a long way up. So we come to a cool spot here called the Lion's Paw Terrace. So check this out, you can see on either side you have the two gigantic lion's paws. The entrance of the Lion Rock, that's what it's called as well. Guys, so you probably saw how many monkeys there are here. Right next to this guy.
Stealing things from others.
Yeah, they've been stealing a lot of sweets. You tired?
Yeah, very tired.
Yeah, I didn't expect it to be this hard.
Yeah.
At least there's a breeze now.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. Yeah, so finally made it. Probably take a bit of a rest and then yeah, go on a tour around here at the top. Looks like it's quite big, a lot to see. So already from here you can see the ruins, the base of different buildings, even a little swimming pool over there. But these views from up here are just epic. You can see it's just one big forest basically, no buildings at all. So I haven't yet explained what this place even is. So it's actually the ruins of a palace. In the 5th century, a king, I think he's called King Kashyapa, he chose this site as the place for his palace and the capital at the time. So yeah, this is what he built on top of the rock. So all this would have been palace. Must have looked absolutely incredible back in the day. So now all you really have is the base. You can still see the stairs and stuff that would have been here. So yeah, it must have just been amazing. So it looks like all the way around there must have just been buildings everywhere. What I don't understand is how they would have got up here back in the day.
Yeah, it must have been hard and probably people died, I think.
Yeah, because without those metal stairs walking up the rock.
I don't know how they did it.
Yeah, crazy. I also read that after that king died, this place was actually abandoned and then it became a Buddhist monk monastery until the 14th century. So yeah, you had the Buddhist monks living around here as well. So we left the big rock now. We're just doing some trails. There's a few trails and stuff that you can do here. We're trying to find the caves that the monks used to use for shelter. Apparently there's loads of caves around here, so yeah, that should be cool. For those of you that just watched my previous videos where we were in southern India, Kerala, here Sri Lanka is basically identical in terms of the nature, the trees and stuff. 'Cause it's so close. If you look on a map, Sri Lanka is right next to Kerala, so kind of just feels like we're in Kerala right now, India, Kerala. Still early days, but it really does just feel like we're in India still. So Carol's gonna show us how the monks used to go up the rock back in the day. Take it away, Carol.
I don't think they had this to hold.
Yeah, probably not. If you fall, I'll get more views. Oh. She made it.
Yeah.
So we didn't find the caves yet, but this rock's a pretty good viewpoint. Loads of rocks and stuff around here, and then behind me you can see that's what we just climbed up. In the distance there is actually another rock that people climb up. We're not going to do it. It's supposed to be even harder than Sigiriya, but they say from there you get the best view of the main attraction, so probably worth it. Maybe even that's a cave there. It looks like one underneath those boulders. So I think we found one of the shelters. Not sure what it's called. Looks like there's some sort of artifact here. No idea what that is though. No signs or anything, right?
No.
Rocks are really cool though. Look at this one. Seems to have a bit of a balancing rock on top. Anyway, I think there's more down this way. What is that?
I don't know. There's probably an animal inside.
Yeah, I don't want to know what's inside there. It's a pretty big hole. So here's one of the caves. Terrace cave. You can see it's actually been blocked off here, I guess because it's dangerous. Still see some of the old paintings. That's all that's left now. And it looks like we have another cave here, a bit more exciting than the other ones. So once again there's no signs, but yeah, they built something here. No idea what that is though. Alright, we're back at our treehouse now. I was just gonna edit some videos here. I don't really show that part that much in the videos about the editing and stuff. Usually a video will take me anywhere around 3 to 5 hours to edit, so it is quite a lot of work, and then you have all the upload times and exporting times, all that, so yeah, it can take forever really. So yeah, I was gonna start with that now. And I think I'm probably going to edit it out here. Looks like a nice relaxing spot to edit. Might as well make the most of the awesome balcony view. I mainly do all the YouTube stuff and Carol does all the Instagram stuff. So all the stories, the photos, the majority of the replies on Instagram are all from Carol. I never do any Instagram stuff, so follow us on Instagram as well, because there we have the latest updates, because my videos are usually a bit behind because they take a long time to edit, but Instagram usually is up to date and shows where we are in real time currently. So yeah, check that out. And that's it then for today's video on Sri Lanka. We're going to be here tomorrow in the same area. We're going to be doing a jungle safari, so that should be awesome. And yeah, I just really love this place so far. I always love places like this that's just full of nature and wildlife everywhere, and Sri Lanka pretty much is all like that. And one thing that surprised me also is how clean it is here. It's very clean. I think the only other place in Asia that's been cleaner is Singapore. Yeah, it looks really good so far, and yeah, just pretty impressed and looking forward to the rest of the trip. Seems like an awesome country. So stick around for the next videos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one.